I know you ain't gonna take. You ain't taking me.
Yeah, man, the real chef, see?
So how long will make the season marinate for the fish? The season?
Some people like raw onion and some people like fried onion. I rather the onion half fried. Alright, so I'm going to pour out this now into some dish. Get my fish already prepared. Just damp it with some water, huh? It won't stick to the bottom. You tell them head and tail, see? Can you fish them head and tail?
Yes, I still fish this.
Yeah. Merci, tell me with the okra then.
I just cover it for a couple of hours.
Oh man, for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
No, about half an hour.
Half an hour. So when seasoning, how long do we get like the seasoning soak up in it?
It never too long. I'm fine yesterday. Wash them out. I'm going to wash off this up. You wash off this. You don't figure thing out after the time. That's okra.
I can do this with like any fish, even like the fillet fish.
Well, yeah, fish is fish.
I shall try this in the next video.